I record this video because I want to try to get on footage the weird sound I can hear coming from under the car when I try to climb this small hill here. It's a little bit difficult because it's a relatively stiff climb. We have some dust here and some holes and a big rock here, a really stiff rock. But I have Ironman 4x4 suspension in my car. My car is lifted. I don't have any concerns about hitting the bottom of the car in those rocks. But what I want to do it here is to get the weird sound I hear when the traction control lights starts to blink, because it looks like the car is losing grip or losing traction. It's really weird, and the sound is scary. It looks like something is breaking. I'll try to get this on video. X mode on, traction control on. Let's go. The traction control light is blinking all the time. Okay, the car found a way to get some traction, but I think I was able to get the weird sound on video. Let's see what you are going to say, guys.